Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wakwe zonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukunon Soul Captures. Ndabanye, Namekelonu. Apambu Chukunon Soul Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist. And you're tuned into another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up for Chidera. That's right, give it up for Chidera. All right, so